MongoDB's Tableau Connector gives you the power to access and analyze live Atlas data from your Tableau desktop in real time through an Atlas SQL interface that lets you leverage your existing SQL knowledge. A direct connection to Atlas means you can find insights on live application data in real time. And with built-in workload isolation, long-running complex queries won't disrupt application performance. Built with a MongoDB native SQL 92 compatible dialect, the connector provides a first-class querying experience of MongoDB's JSON-like document data, allowing for native SQL queries and Tableau functionality without the need to learn a new language. The connector also leverages Atlas's federated query engine under the hood to really minimize complex ETL or pipelines across multiple data sources. So finding insights across multiple data sources is just as easy as from one single Atlas cluster. Now, let's demonstrate the quick start enablement of Atlas SQL and how to connect Atlas from Tableau and quickly go from documents to dashboards. From the MongoDB console, navigate to the cluster you wish to access. Select either the Cluster Connect button or the Atlas SQL Connect link. Now you can get started and enable Atlas SQL. We're going to demonstrate the Quick Start enablement today, since we only need to access data from one cluster. Simply select the green Create button. Then select Tableau from the Connector dropdown. And the last step is to copy the connection setting information. Specifically, we'll need the connection URI for the connection dialog in Tableau. Let me show you. Once in Tableau, find the new MongoDB Atlas Connector. It will be available after you've downloaded and installed the MongoDB Tableau Connector and driver files. Next, enter in all of your connection settings. Remember to paste in that connection URI we copied from Atlas. You can even select different levels of JDBC logging to assist with troubleshooting. Once you sign in, you'll see your MongoDB collections as tables and your fields as columns. Tableau users can use custom SQL or Tableau functions to transform MongoDB data. This includes transforming nested objects and arrays into the columns needed for reporting and analysis. Here, with SQL and dot notation, we're taking the nested customer field object and creating customer age as its own column. We'll use customer age to explore sales activity and identify target markets. Once you've transformed your data, you're ready to build. The insights we can draw from our MongoDB data are plentiful. First, let's take a look at our buyers by age. Then, after adding in the store location dimension, we gain insight on buying trends by both age and locale. Download and try out the MongoDB Tableau Connector today. Enjoy the full Tableau experience with live data queried directly from MongoDB Atlas.